Hi, I am super excited to announce our new commercial module. Now, our wash and fold software will automatically generate invoices and automatically email those invoices to your clients. At our laundromat, we used to pay our manager to create invoices one at a time and send them out. And now our software sends out the invoices on time, every time, and with zero mistakes. So it's like having a manager level employee working for you without having to pay that hourly rate. As you can see, our invoices are beautiful, and they're going to give your laundromat a very professional image. So while our software is sending out these professional invoices and putting them in your clients' email boxes, your competition is scribbling out triplicate tickets. So it's going to be a big difference. In addition, you could choose how you want to invoice each client. For example, you could send a customer an invoice after each order, or you could send them a single invoice with an entire week's or month's worth of orders. It's up to you. You could even have your customers sign up for autopay and automatically charge their card when their bill is due. So not only can you keep track of each customer's preferences, just like you could before, but now you're going to be able to have individual pricing for each of your commercial clients. For example, say you normally charge $1.25 per pound for wash and fold, but you decide to give Bob a special price of $1 per pound. So our software will automatically plug in the right price for Bob every time he places an order. So your launderer only has to weigh the clothes, and our software will do the rest. You never have to spend any more time creating or sending out invoices again. So one of the new features for commercial clients is a recurring pickup and delivery schedule. Super easy to use and very intuitive. To set up a recurring schedule for a commercial account, all you have to do is tap Add Recurring Schedule, and you can set it for weekly or monthly. Let's go ahead and do weekly. And every Monday we're going to go ahead and pick up the clothes from this customer at this time, and we're going to go ahead and do a delivery the following day on Tuesday. So you simply tap Tuesday, and then you tap Save Recurring Schedule. That's it. In addition to the recurring schedule, you're now going to be able to create multiple contacts for each commercial account. For example, you could have one person receive the invoice by email, and you could have another person at that company receive a text message whenever the driver's on his way. This commercial module is going to save you and your staff a ton of time, and it's going to give you a big competitive advantage over your competition.